Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to tell you all about how you can download the Pixelmon mod and the Legacy launcher into your PC. So let's just get started. So first of all, you will need to do is open the browser you are using in your PC. So open the browser, go on to the search tab and just search for the Legacy launcher. See as am I searching. When you just searched it, click on the first link, first website which appears on your screen. Just click it. When you click it, there is an option you can see on the screen, download for Windows. So just click on it and then click on download via direct. As you can see, as I clicked, then wait for some time. It takes some time to start download. As you can see, my download has been started of the Legacy launcher. Here you can see it. So let's wait for it to download. Till it downloads, just hit the like button, press the share button, and smash the bell icon. As you can see, we are almost done and it has been downloaded. As you can see. So to download the Pixelmon mode, I will share this website link into the description and the comment section too. So just go in it and download 9.3.16 beta version. Just click on it and as you can see there will be a timer going up in the upper right corner of the screen. Just skip it when the timer is over and your download will be started. As you can see the download has been started. So this is the pixel on board you will need to download. So I will just pause it because I had already downloaded it. So let's get everything downloaded onto the home screen. Okay, so as you can see the Pixelmon mode and the legacy launcher has been downloaded. So let's just complete the setup of the legacy launcher and let's start it. So as you can see it is getting downloaded. So it has been installed. We'll just finish it. As you can see the legacy launcher has been installed into our PC. Like that you can also install the legacy launcher. So let's just run the legacy launcher which we have downloaded just recently. we'll just allow it. If anyone is having trouble in the legacy launcher, you can also download the T launcher. I already made a video on it. So as you can see, we will get on a screen like this. So we will just press the cross button downside, and as you can see, there are none versions showing. So we will just create an account firstly. Let me full screen it. Okay. So we will just select the free WO password, and just you can keep any username as you want. I will keep it simple like my old username being home, same as my channel name. So see, as you can see, there are no version list. So we will just click on the three lines, go to the manage versions, and then refresh the version host from the server, version list from server. As you can see, all the versions has been came into our list. So we will just download the Neo Forge 1.21.1. Just we will need to find it, the Neo Forge. Let me find it. Okay, we have find it at Neo Forge 1.21.1. So let us install it. Say install and play. So let's get it installed. It takes some time to get installed. It also depends on your Wi-Fi speed or internet connection. As you can see, it has been downloaded. Just some last steps. Okay, now our game will be started. As you can see, our game is being started. So let's just wait till it starts. Okay, so it
Press
has been
enter to
started.
enable the
We'll just do
narrator.
continue. Make the narrator off. As you can see, it is the simple. Now we have just installed the Neoforge. It is simple plain Minecraft. So we have to convert it into the Pixelmon one. So let's just quit it and go into the files. Okay. So we will just go into file section. This is the mods, and we will just cut our take our Pixelmon mode and just place it in the mods folder, and then we will run our game. First time it takes some time to load our mod which we have installed of the Pixelmon. Let's just wait for the game to get started. If you enjoy my video guys, leave a like and also a lovely comment to motivate me for my next upcoming videos. So as you can see, it has been converted into the Pixelmon. You can see there is an option named as Pixelmon downside of the single player. And when we go into the mods, as you can see there is the Pixelmon mod. So we will just run the Pixelmon mod. I will show you is it working or not. So I will just join a server. Let it choose Mobcraft. So there are 26 players online in it. So let it join that. I also play in that server. It is a nice survival server. You can also join. As you can see, I had to join. So let me just log in it. Okay. We are getting connected as you can see guys. As you can guys see, we have been joined to the server and you can see on the left side of my screen there are the Pokemons of Pixelmon mod and see as you can see I have just thrown out a Pokemon named as Tropius. As you can see it is a flying type Pokemon. So the mod works. So guys, if you liked my video how I made it, just leave a like, subscribe to my channel and make a lovely comment. Bye.